Procesio is the no-code technology that decompresses IT departments by bringing together business and technical people to build automations, apps, and services. Currently, Procesio can be the backend of any type of software that you might want to build. Our vision is much greater than that. We will be able to build any type of software from the front end to the back end.
You should care about no-code. In the next 2 to 5 years, businesses that will adopt no-code are going to be ahead of the curve and will adapt faster to changes. The no-code technology aims to bridge the gap between software development needs and the available human resources.
I truly believe that no-code is the future of software development. And some of the advantages are decompressing IT departments, faster go-to-market, delivering new software with existing team, enabling business and technical people to build software together using the same language.
After we received the investment from Seedblink last year, we formed the board of directors to whom we report monthly. Also, we managed to strengthen the team by acquiring great talent in different areas such as development and community building. We just hired 2 salespeople to fill our sales funnel.
I envision Procesio to be a core productivity tool for any professional, working individually or in a team.
The gap between software development needs and the available human resources would be considerably lower than today. Everyone will be able to build their own software, apps or services. Anyone would be able to innovate faster in days, not months. This is what software should be like.
In simple terms, Procesio is a system that integrates with other systems and helps them become an ecosystem.
Currently, simply put, Procesio can be the backend of any software. Anyone can build a front end and connect it to Procesio without having to worry about scalability, integrations, and so many other technical aspects. In the future, we will also provide no-code front-end development tools. Everything is intuitive for the user. We provide tools for both business users and technical users so they can both work together for the same outcome. Anyone can extend the functionalities of Procesio by building their own, and we call those custom actions. With custom actions, we are building Procesio using Procesio. On top of all that, you can visually test and debug everything that you build. Procesio is not just better, it is different than anything that you have ever seen.
Custom actions are the key for tailoring Procesio to any business context. We are also using it to build Procesio with Procesio.
A custom action is how anyone can build their own functionalities within Procesio without waiting for the vendor to build those functionalities. You can build it yourself. It's intuitive to use, you can extend its capabilities by using custom actions, and you can visually test and debug the processes that you build. They have the right mindset. They are client-centered and they are great professionals. At Procesio, we believe that the key for the evolution of software development is a great cooperation between business and IT, allowing each party to focus on what is of interest to them. This is what Procesio is offering, and all without sacrificing the security or the quality.
I trust the potential and opportunities offered by low-code, no-code concepts. But I also trust the capacity of Procesio team to deliver on the complete development environment as promised on schedule. And I'm talking about this from 3 perspectives. First one is the perspective of a technology enthusiast, also VP of Tech Angels in Romania. I'm seeing tens of startups every month, and I work with many of them, and Procesio team stand out of the crowd. Also, I'm talking from the perspective of a business consultant focused on strategy and business processes. I worked with Processio team to look at the competitors, to make a competitive analysis and to find the best way and plan the international expansion. And I trust that we will deliver on these plans. Also, as a member in Ringel company board, I could witness the capacity and consciousness of the management team, making me confident in their ability to deliver on their plans as scheduled. There is a gap between the business's needs for new application and the delivery capacity, and this gap is bridged by no-code, low-code concepts. The businesses need more agility in order to compete, and Processio technology will allow them to have it. I am encouraging you to carefully look at this opportunity, as well as to study all the data made available by the Ringel Processio team for you, and make sure you make an informed investment decision.
There are many crazy people that believe they can change the future, but sometimes some of them do change the future if they are crazy enough against all odds. At Processio, they are crazy enough not to accept the present and to believe they will indeed change the future as they see it in their vision. If you were called crazy before, then you know it. You should invest in Processio.